It's been 8 years of your marriage. Still daughter-in-law doesn't have kid. Before my death I will get to see face of my grandchildren or not?
Mom, we are trying.
Hey, since 8 years you are just trying. I'm telling you, why don't you show to a good doctor?
Mom, I have consulted a doctor. There is no problem.
If there is no problem, so why you're not having kids?
What can we do if she can't conceive it? There are a lot of people in the world who don't have kids. They live without kids, right? We'll live without kids too. Brother, you don't need to live without a baby. What do you mean? Brother, 2 years ago, God gave me and Pooja a lovely daughter. And now Pooja is pregnant again. So we want to keep the baby in sister-in-law's lap. Sagar, what are you saying? Look, brother, God has given us a baby. Unfortunately, you don't have a baby. So we'll give you our baby. Then you'll be his parents. But Sagar,
Hey, no if but. Sagar is saying absolutely true. And for a mother, how bigger happiness it would be that both of her sons will live happily. Yes, son.
but Sagar, is Pooja ready for all this? Brother, you don't worry about that. Pooja will agree to this. I don't understand what to say. May God give everyone brother like you.
Hey, son, whom you have got with you?
Mom, his name is Danish. And from now on, he'll live with us in our house.
He will live with us, but who is he?
Mom, he's an orphan. He has no one in this world. From now on, Swara and I will love him like his own parents and keep him in our house with us.
What? He will live with us? You got some orphan with you and keeping him at your home? Do you know what is his caste?
Mom, what are you saying? If he's an orphan, then what's the problem? And children are God's creation. What if he was not born from Swara's womb? He's not our own blood. But he's still a child. And raising an orphan is a good thing. Isn't it, Mom?
Yes, mother. Me and Vikas took this decision after thinking so much. And we both are so happy with this decision.
Brother, when we decided to give our child to you, then why did you bring him here? Because I listened to you.
Are you out of your mind? How can a parent give their kid to someone else, Sagar?
Pooja, I'm doing this with a clear mind. And it's for our own good.
What benefit, huh?
Man, I have a simple job. And my brother has a government job. They have no shortage of money. And when my brother and sister-in-law grow old, then they will give property and money to their son. Then we'll take our son back that time. And our money and property too.
Gee, Sagar. How greedy you are. Because of your greed, you are doing wrong with your brother. And you are selling your own kid? Gee, how disgusting is this, Sagar?
Pooja, there is no greed in thinking about our own child. And listen to me carefully. The child you're carrying is your brother's. Do you understand? I thought you were my brother, who sacrificed everything for his brother's happiness. But you are not my brother. You turn out to be a Ravan. Ah, brother, please forgive me. I made a big mistake. I got greedy for money and
Stupid. I'm feeling ashamed that you are my son and I'm your mother. You are making plans against your brother? And Vikas, I'm so proud of you that you have so good mindset. Come here, son. From now he will live with us in this home only.